Want to remove Microsoft Teams from your device? Whether you're troubleshooting Teams, freeing up storage, or simply don't use the app anymore, uninstalling it is pretty straightforward. In this guide, I'll show you how to remove Teams from Windows, clean up leftover components, and uninstall it from your phone. So let's get started. Before uninstalling Teams, close the application completely. If Teams is open, select your profile picture and choose Sign Out if needed, then close the Teams window. Making sure the app is fully closed can help prevent uninstall problems. Now open Windows Settings and select Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Microsoft Teams in the list. Select the three-dot menu next to Teams and choose Uninstall. Confirm the removal when Windows asks. Depending on your Windows setup, you may also see a separate Teams component, such as a machine-wide installer. If you see one and no longer need it, uninstall it as well. The exact entries can vary depending on how Teams was installed. If you're uninstalling Teams to fix a problem, you may also want to remove leftover app data before reinstalling. Microsoft provides specific troubleshooting steps for removing Teams data when the app isn't behaving correctly. This step isn't normally necessary if you simply want to uninstall Teams. After uninstalling Teams, restart your computer. Open the Start menu, select Power, then Restart. Once Windows starts again, search for Teams to confirm the application has been removed. On Android, open Settings and go to Apps, then find Microsoft Teams. Select Uninstall and Confirm. You can also uninstall it directly from the app drawer on many Android phones. On an iPhone, find the Microsoft Teams app on your home screen or app library. Press and hold the icon, choose Remove App, then select Delete App and confirm. This removes the Teams application from your phone. If you removed Teams because it wasn't working correctly, you can install it again later. Download the latest version from Microsoft's official Teams website or reinstall it through your device's App Store. A fresh installation can help resolve some persistent app problems. And that's how to uninstall Microsoft Teams. On Windows, remove it from installed apps, check for additional Teams components if needed, and restart your PC. On mobile, uninstall it directly from your device. So whether you're troubleshooting or simply cleaning up your apps, you're all set.